In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your name on GitHub in just a few easy steps. If you're new to GitHub or just haven't navigated to your profile settings in a while, don't worry. This walkthrough is designed to be clear and easy to follow so you can update your information with confidence. Let's start by heading over to the GitHub dashboard. When you first log in, this dashboard is your home base for coding projects and collaboration opportunities. You'll see a bunch of options and sections on your screen, but for now, let's focus on the top right corner. Here, you'll notice a small icon or avatar. Go ahead and click on it. This icon represents your profile and is your gateway to personal settings and account details. Once you click that, a drop-down menu will appear, showing several options. From this list, go ahead and select Your Profile. Doing so will take you directly to your profile page where you'll see an overview of all your activities, repositories, and contributions. This is the space that reflects your identity on GitHub, so it's essential to keep it up to date. Now, on the left side of your profile page, find and click on Edit Profile. This is where you can personalize various aspects of your account. Since today our focus is on changing the name that's displayed to other users, look for the field labeled Name. Here, you can enter the new name you want to use on GitHub. This could be your full name, a nickname, or any moniker that best represents how you'd like to be known in the developer community. As a quick tip, when choosing the name, consider what's appropriate given your professional or project goals. Some people opt for professionalism with their full name, while others prefer a creative handle for more casual interactions. It's entirely up to you, so feel free to choose what feels right for your GitHub presence. Once you've typed in the name you want, the next and final step is to save your changes. There should be a Save button located just below the name input field. Give that a click, and congratulations. You've successfully updated your name on GitHub. Remember, your profile name is often the first impression others have of you on GitHub, so it's wonderful that you're taking the time to make sure it aligns with your identity and intentions. Feel free to return to these settings anytime if you need to make further updates.